this day was my last breath, would I live without regret? All the things I used to chase now just fade without a trace. I just want a quiet mind, leave the heavy world behind. In this moment I can see what it truly means to be. Peace like the last day I lived, nothing more that I must give, just a calm and steady heart.